Welcome to our channel. I am Saju Thomas. Today I am going to teach you can or could. Can or could modal auxiliary verbs. There are 24 auxiliary verbs in English language, and auxiliary verbs are divided into mainly two parts: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliaries we already completed. Then modal auxiliary, can and could. Modal auxiliary. See, it is very important in your life the use of can. We can make many sentences with can, and in the daily usage sentences we speak with can and could. So look at the board very clearly, and if you have copy you can write the notes in your copy. See, look at here. I say simply. I talk with you very simple, and everyone should be understand. Everyone understand. I speak very simply. So look at the board very clearly. It is very important or very essential for your daily life. See, can plus verb first form. See, can plus verb first form. Very simple. Look at the board very clearly. See, I wrote some sentence here. विद्यार्थियों, मैंने कुछ सेंटेंस यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, वही सेंटेंस आप ध्यान से देखिए. Look at the sentence very clearly. I can speak English. See, I is the subject, can auxiliary verbs, modal auxiliary verbs, speaker verb first form of the verb. Speak. I can speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूं. See, can का उपयोग ये होता है एबिलिटी, क्षमता. I can speak English means मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने का क्षमता है. See, क्षमता. I can speak English. मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूं. इसका मतलब अंग्रेजी बोलने का क्षमता मेरा ऊपर है. See, anything we can say what सकता है. I can speak English. See, we can speak English. हम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं. You can speak English. तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो. He can speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकता है. She can speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकती है. Very important. Look at here. Verb. What is the verb? Speak. See, speak verb. Subject I आ गया तभी speak है. Reason what? In the middle we put can. Can हम लोग इसमें रखा गया है. So that's why after the can the verb must be base form of the verb, means present form of the verb. See, we can speak, you can speak, I can speak, we can speak, you can speak, he can speak. See, this is singular. I, we, you and they we consider as a plural. Then he, she, it we consider singular. But in the singular and plural, both singular and plural, the verb must be singular आ जाए, plural आ जाएगा, तो भी can के बाद verb का present form उपयोग करता है. See, he can speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकता है. She can speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकती है। They can speak English, वे अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं। राजू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, राजू अंग्रेजी बोल सकता है। राजू और रामू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, राजू और रामू अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं। वेरी सिंपल। पर आई कैन, मुझे सकता है। ही कैन, उनको सकता है। दे कैन, उन लोग सकता है। See, I wrote some more sentences here. I can do this. मैं ये कर सकता हूं। I can call him. He can call him. They can call him. I can lift this box. मुझे ये बॉक्सा उठा सकता है। That is our ability. Ability means क्षमता। See, I can do this. We can help you. हम आपको मदद कर सकते हैं। We can help you. Sometimes we tell the negative, I cannot help you. I can't help you. Can plus not. Cannot means can't. I can help you. I cannot help you. मुझे आपको मदद कर नहीं सकता है। I cannot help you. I cannot call you. He cannot help him. See? We can help you. हम आपकी मदद कर सकते हैं। We cannot help you. हम आपकी मदद कर नहीं सकते। We cannot help you. We cannot call you. You can go there. आप वहां जा सकते हो। He can write Hindi. वह हिंदी लिख सकता है। Can usage is very simple to understand. Can means क्षमता, ability. That I can lift this box means मुझे ये बॉक्स उठा सकता है। I cannot lift this box means मुझे ये बॉक्सा उठा नहीं सकता है। Oh, I can go there. He can go there. She can go there. He can call me. I can attend the party. I cannot attend the party. Sometimes we say to others, sorry my brother, sorry my friends, I cannot attend your marriage party. मुझे आपका मैरिज फंक्शन को अटेंड कर नहीं सकता है। I cannot attend your marriage function. I cannot buy a car. मुझे एक कार खरीद नहीं सकते। कारण क्या है? मेरा पास पैसा नहीं है। I have no money. I cannot buy a new car. I cannot afford your insult. See, she can solve this problem. वह इस समस्या को हल कर सकती है। He can solve this problem. We ask them, can she solve this problem? क्या वह इस समस्या को हल कर सकती है? Can she solve this problem? Can you solve this problem? Can he solve this problem? Can they solve this problem? Can we solve this problem? We cannot solve this problem. हम लोग का ये प्रॉब्लम को हल कर नहीं सकता है। See, next, I can lift this box. मैं यह बॉक्स उठा सकता हूँ। We can win. हम जीत सकते हैं। We can win. हम जीत सकते हैं। We cannot win. हम लोग को जीत नहीं सकते। See, you can call me. तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो। See, in this ways we can use can. Can plus verb present form of the verb. Students, I think even the one class students can understand our lessons. That's why I am saying, I am talking with you very simply and slowly. So, can is very important usage in our daily life. Then, can we say the ability, our kshamata, I can, we can, you can, they can. Then, negative sentence. How can we make the negative sentence? We put here, I cannot. See, I cannot speak English. मुझे इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकता है। cannot speak English. हम अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकते हैं. You cannot speak English. After the can के बाद हम लोग नोट लगाना है. You cannot speak English. तुम अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकते हो. He cannot speak English. Cannot means can. He cannot speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकता. She cannot speak English. वह अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकती. My dear students, in this ways we can make the affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Then you must write affirmative sentences and with the Hindi. जब सेंटेंस लिखेगा उसका नीचे उसका हिंदी का अर्थ जरूर लिखना है. जरूर नहीं लिखेगा आप भूल जाओगे. That's why you must write the meaning, the sentence meaning in below the sentence. Then we studied what use of can, the affirmative sentence and the negative sentence. Then we are going to study the question sentence. See here, I wrote some question sentence. In the question, we'll write first can, then subject. See, can I get your pen? क्या मुझे आपका पेन मिल सकता है? Can I get your pen? Can you help me? Can you call me? क्या आप मुझे कॉल करोगे? Can you help me? Can I take this? क्या मुझे ये ले सकता हूं? Can I take? Can I go? Sometimes we take a permission our teachers, parents. Father, can I go? Teacher, can I go? क्या मुझे जा सकता है? Can I go? Can I take? Can I call you? Can I write? Can I clean the room? Can I take a rest? See. Can you call me? Can I use your phone? Can you bring a glass of water? Can you bring a glass of water? Can he help her? Can I call you in the evening time? क्या मुझे इवनिंग टाइम में आपको कॉल कर सकता है? Can I call you in the evening? Can you believe me? क्या आप मुझे विश्वास करोगे? Can you believe me? Can you trust me? Can he come with me? क्या वह मेरा साथ आ सकते हैं? आ सकता है? Can he come with me? Can you help me? Can I get any help from him? See, in these ways we can ask the questions. Then some more polite. Can you believe me, please? Can you believe me, please? Some polite we can ask polite. Can I get your pen, please? Can you call me, please? Can I use your mobile phone, please? Can you bring a glass of water, please? See, in this ways we can make the question sentence. My dear students, I request you make more and more sentences and write the meaning and sentence meaning below the sentence. Then you will be able to speak or write or read in English. So then we are going to study could. Then we need to study could. Could actually the past form of can, but in different ways we use could. can का past form है could, लेकिन हम लोग different ways अलग-अलग रीति से ये could उपयोग करता है. I wrote some sentence here. See, I could swim across the river when I was young. was young. Then when I was at school I could speak English. जब मैं स्कूल में था तो मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता था. इसका मतलब अभी मुझे अंग्रेजी बोल नहीं सकता. When I was young I could speak English. Sometimes ये बूढ़ा लोग जो बोलता है मैं जवान था, मुझे 5 लोग से मारने की क्षमता था, ऐसे बोलता है. When I was young, I could fight with 4%, 3%. When I was young, or when I was young, I could lift 100 kilograms. मुझे 100 किलोग्राम उठाने की क्षमता था, लेकिन अभी मेरे पास क्षमता नहीं है. That is meaning. I could lift this box when I was young. ये बॉक्स मुझे उठा सकता था when I was young. हम छोटा था, ये जवान था, तब मुझे ये उठा सकता था. Now I become an old man. मुझे I cannot lift this box. मुझे अभी ये बॉक्स उठा नहीं सकता. ये तरह देखिए. Then I could get a job. इसका मीन्स मुझे एक नौकरी मिल गया ये नहीं है, मुझे एक नौकरी मिल सकता है ये भी नहीं है. I could get a job. So he could get a job means उनको नौकरी पाने की क्षमता था. इसका मतलब उनको नौकरी नहीं मिला. That's a negative meaning. See, I could get a job. मुझे एक नौकरी मिलने का क्षमता था, मिल सकता था, लेकिन मुझे नौकरी नहीं मिला. See, I could help me. Sorry, he could help me. वह मेरी मदद कर सकता था. It means he did not help me. वो मुझे हेल्प नहीं किया है. He could help me. वह मेरी मदद कर सकता था, लेकिन उन्होंने मदद नहीं किया है. He could help me. वह मेरी मदद कर सकता था, मुझे मदद नहीं किया है. I could call you. मैं तुम्हें फोन कर सकता था, लेकिन मैंने फोन आपको नहीं किया है. I didn't make a call to you. मैं आपको कॉल नहीं किया. See? तब कैसे बोलेगा मुझे कॉल नहीं किया? I didn't call you. मैं आपको कॉल नहीं किया. See, listen. She could pass the exam. Sometimes we believe that she could pass the exam means वह एग्जाम पास हो गया है. Actually, this meaning is negative meaning. She could pass the exam means उसको एग्जाम पास कर सकता था, लेकिन वो पास नहीं किया है. She did not pass the exam. See, very important sentence, my dear students. The use of could is very different ways we can use it. We use the past ability. Then in this sentence we will get some negative meaning also. Then the could usage is mainly the could we use the asking the questions. More polite. सबसे नम्र रीति से हम लोग जो सवाल जो पूछेगा, क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, पुट जोड़कर है. कुड वुड, कुड और वुड जोड़कर हम लोग क्वेश्चन जो सवाल पूछेगा सबसे पोलाइट, सबसे नम्र है. सी, कुड यू हेल्प मी? आप मुझे हेल्प करोगे? कुड यू हेल्प मी? कैन यू हेल्प मी? और विल यू हेल्प मी? वुड यू हेल्प मी? और कुड यू हेल्प मी? कुड यू हेल्प मी सबसे ज्यादा पोलाइट, उसी में सबसे नम्र है. So my dear students, you ask to others, suppose if you want to ask to others, they are older than you, और टीचर्स होगा, प्रिंसिपल होगा, डायरेक्टर होगा, मतलब कुछ जोड़कर आप लोग क्वेश्चन माना परमिशन वगैरह पूछेगा तो सबसे बेकार है. Could you help me? Could you please bring a glass of water? Could you give me permission to go? Could I take this? Could I get the permission to sit in the class? Could I get admission here? Could you call me? In this ways we study can and would. I challenge you, my dear students, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will explain again and again. Suppose in the YouTube videos you know that सबसे छोटा छोटा वीडियो सभी लोग देखता है यार, but in the explanation of the grammar classes and the spoken English class we need some time. हम लोग को थोड़ा समय ज़्यादा चाहिए, but they are not, you are not, the students are not interested watching what in the long videos. They need short videos, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute videos. Everybody needs 1 or 2 minutes video. सभी लोग 1 मिनट 2 मिनट 3 मिनट का वीडियो को पसंद करता है. That's why we cannot explain more and more. हम लोग को इसका कारण से ज्यादा विवरण कर नहीं सकता है. But if you have any comment, any doubt, you must write in your below in the comment box. We will explain and again and directly I will or we will contact you, no problem. I challenge you. We need an educated. So if you like this video, आपको ये वीडियो पसंद हो गया, आप इसी में जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए. Then you will get next video. तब आपको नया वीडियो हमारा जल्दी से जल्दी मिल जाएगा. इंग्लिश ग्रामर और स्पोकन इंग्लिश का पूरा वीडियो हम लोग करेंगे. वो वीडियो आपको जल्दी से जल्दी मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.